to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I want to show you the distraction-free reader or the minimal reader and how to use it and launch it using the quick launch toolbar. Now, if we go to settings and type minimal reader, you'll see that you have a few options there on how to launch it. You can have it, you can turn it on and off. You can have it so it's always in the bottom right, for example, bottom left or top left corner, and you would see a little pop-up over there. I prefer to have it hidden most of the time and only launch it via QLT, but of course up to you. You can choose how you want to use it. So once it is toggled and it is on, you can then use it. Now, how do we launch it? All you have to do is type it, press the quick launch toolbar, type MR for minimal reader, and this will pop up. Now it's basically a stripped down version and to really help you focus, because you'll notice on sites like this, especially recipe sites, you'll notice a lot of, if I just turn everything on, because even right now there's a lot of advertising blocked, but you'll see there's ads everywhere, there's going to be pop-ups, there's going to be all kinds of stuff that can be quite distracting, especially for neurodivergent types. We don't need any more flashy things to distract us. So besides having something like an ad blocker or Brave security features, you can also run minimal reader, and this will help you get rid of the noise even more. So you have some sizing options. You can choose the size. There's a few different themes, and here you have extra options. Now once you choose these will be default. It will remember it every time, so every time you launch it, it will get remembered. So bold, some sites and some fonts require the bold function, so that's why that's there. Outline is like jump links, so you can go to that particular part of the page. The fonts, we also include an open dyslexic font, so it's been apparently it's really good for people with dyslexia. This one is the official one from the organization, so I've included that in there as well. We have an outline font scale, so if you want to just make this smaller or larger. There is focus mode. Focus mode is essentially a little gutter which simulates how you would read it if you were to read, if you were to do speed reading. Normally, you have to focus on the middle part and exclude the sides. So this kind of lets you do that using colors. Now you can do text opacity, whatever you like. So it can be subtle or very bold, and the gutter width can be quite large or quite small, depending on how you like it. Besides gutter width or focus mode, we also have stop words. So this is a function to just get rid of the stop words or make them a little less obvious. So they're still there if you want it, but without the stop words, you can basically just get to the informational part of the text. Now you can also hide images if you just want the text. You can also hide meta. Meta is all the information at the top. And focus ruler is one of those features that allows you to read and have it focus on that part of the page. Now you can give it any color. There's also custom colors that you can put in here. You can decide how large it is. So whether you want to use the ruler as a way to just keep your eye focused, or if you want to use it as a highlighting section, sort of like this, then you can do both. And you can also choose the position, so whether it's higher or lower in the page, and the opacity. So if you want it to be really obvious or really subtle, you can do all that. So that is the minimal reader. It just helps you focus a little bit more, get rid of the distractions, and it is part of our productivity suite. We do also have a 3D speed reader. That's my personal preference. I really like using that, and so I recommend you check out that video. But for now, please enjoy the minimal reader. If you have any questions, look us up on the website and have a look at some of our other features in the productivity suite. Thank you.